So there has been a breaking update as far as the pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca is concerned. It has admitted in court that its COVID vaccine may cause some rare side effects which relates to TTS, which is a rare syndrome that can categorize as causing blood clots and low platelet counts as well. And this is a big development that is now coming in as far as the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID vaccine, which was sold globally under the brand names of Covishield and others as well. Now the company has been facing a class action lawsuit alleging serious injuries and deaths resulting from its vaccine. Let me go across to Aditi now. Aditi, this is a serious case, especially when it comes to the legal lawsuit that this pharmaceutical giant has been facing. AstraZeneca for the first time has admitted its case in court, saying that its COVID vaccine may cause some rare side effects.
Well, exactly, Amita, and the plea that was admitted in the UK court stated that the patient had suffered serious injuries and serious health scare after taking the Covishield vaccine. The plea that was filed in the UK court states that after taking the vaccine, and even the several of the pleas that were admitted in the UK court highlighted the fact that after taking Covishield vaccine, the people suffered various similar effects like blood clots, TTS syndrome, and other health scare as well just after Covishield. So AstraZeneca has time and again said that there is no side effect, but now finally in UK court they have admitted that the vaccine that they generated, and it was given in India under the name of Covishield, can cause some serious health concerns.
All right. Thank you for joining in, Aditi. Dr. Bagai is with us right now. Dr. Bagai, good morning. This is a concern, sir, and a very serious one to those who have already taken the Covishield vaccine. Of course, AstraZeneca admitting that the COVID vaccine can cause some serious rare side effects.
Hi, good morning. So I think this interpretation has to be done in the correct light. This is not a new finding. This was there in public domain in 2022, 2023. There is a small risk, a statistical small risk, especially in women, especially after the second dose, specifically for thrombosis, which we call as thromboembolic phenomena. There have been multiple studies worldwide which have already been published, but by and large, overall, the efficacy and the safety profile of the vaccine is extremely safe and extremely good. The protection against severe disease is more than 90-95%. I don't want anyone in India to get alarmed. This vaccine overall has been doing exceedingly well. No significant risk at all. The risk remains very small for people who have a predisposition, what we call as PF4 factor, which causes platelet dysfunction and thrombosis. But otherwise, barring that, the vaccine is safe.
Right, sir. But Dr. Bagai, what about as far as the company itself facing class action lawsuit alleging serious injuries and deaths that have resulted from its vaccine that was also developed in collaboration with the University of Oxford, sir?
Yes, this public domain data is available across the board, and I've written about this maybe more than 100 times. This vaccine is safe. This vaccine causes an outside chance risk for ladies, second dose, thromboembolic phenomena in a small percentage only.
All right. Dr. Bagai, thank you very much for joining in. Mr. Srinivas is also with us right now. Sir, you too have raised some concerns over the AstraZeneca vaccine, sir.
ये मैंने रेज करने से पहले ये जो कोर्ट में जो कोविशील्ड इन लोग ने जो सबमिट किया है उस पे साइड इफेक्ट्स होता है, ब्लड क्लॉट होता है, ब्रेन हेमरेज होता है करके उन लोग ने मेंशन किया है, वो कोर्ट में बोला है कंपनी ने जी। आप पहले वो कॉपीज निकाल के एक बार देखिए। कंपनी हैज टोल्ड क्लियरली इन फ्रंट ऑफ द जज।
लेकिन श्रीनिवास जी, हम अभी डॉक्टर बगई से बात कर रहे थे, वो काफी नामी बड़े डॉक्टर है सर, उनकी तरफ से ये कहना था कि ये माइनर साइड इफेक्ट अगर ये होता है बहुत ही कम।
डॉक्टर का बात मैं कुछ नहीं कह रहा हूँ। उनके कंपनी ने जो वहां केस लगाया था किसी ने लंदन में, वह कोर्ट में उन लोग ने बताया बात इससे साइड इफेक्ट है करके, दे आर अग्रीड। ये लोग ने देखिए सुनिए, ये आपको क्लियर इस पे नरेंद्र मोदी जी पूरा देश का जनता के सामने इसका जवाब देना पड़ेगा। क्यों?
जी।
इस देश का 80% लोग जो वैक्सीन कोविशील्ड लगाया है, जो पिछले कुछ दिनों में ऐसे ऐसे इंसिडेंट आप देख रहे हैं, बहुत नौजवान लड़का लोग है, 25, 30, 32 साल लड़का लोगों को हार्ट अटैक हो रहा है, अपने आप गिर जा रहा है, तो ये सारी ब्रेन हेमरेज हो रहा है
जी।
तो ये कहीं ना कहीं इसको समझना चाहिए इन लोग ने, जो इनका
तो
इलेक्टोरल
श्रीनिवास जी, आप क्या मांग रख रहे हैं कि सरकार अपनी तरफ से
एक
कोई एक स्टेटमेंट जारी करे, या आप किसी डॉक्टर से
इनका
कंसल्ट
हेल्थ
करके उनकी
मिनिस्टर
भी
किधर
बात
है?
मानेंगे?
एक मिनट, हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री क्या कर रहा है? हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री कहाँ है? इनका गवर्नमेंट किधर है? इसके बारे में बताना क्यों? ये लोग बताएगा नहीं है। क्यों? ये लोग ने 50 करोड़ इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड में उनसे पैसा लिया
जी।
है।
जी
हाँ
जी, धन्यवाद आपका श्रीनिवास जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। वेल डॉक्टर बघेल, दैट इज द पॉलिटिकल रिएक्शन हाउएवर दैट हैज बीन कमिंग इन। ऑफ कोर्स दे हैव बीन वांटिंग दैट द हेल्थ ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया हैज बीन कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड इन अ वे हु ऑल हैव बीन इंजेक्टेड विद द कोविड वैक्सीन ऑफ कोविशील्ड।
Again, with regards to the doubt which this gentleman has raised, there is no significant excess mortality in young athletes. This has also been published in Lancet across almost 10 different countries' studies. These are all randomized controlled trials. These are peer-reviewed data. This vaccine, I want to reiterate, is safe. It has done good for India. It has a good safety profile and exceedingly good vaccine efficacy.
Right, sir. And there would be regulatory authorities as well, sir, who would have quite strict and stringent standards when it comes to ensuring, when it comes to also the safe use of all medicines, including vaccines, sir.
Yeah, in fact, I must add there are studies to compare the efficacy of thromboembolic phenomena of COVID vaccine, which is AstraZeneca, which we call as Covishield, even versus influenza vaccine. And this is has a safer profile than even the influenza vaccine. So I don't want anyone in the public to misunderstand the efficacy and the safety profile. This vaccine has done good. I stand my ground. Data proves so.
All right, Dr. Bagail, thank you very much for joining in. Of course, there are 2 points there. One, we talk about the political reactions that have been coming in, and of course when it comes to the medical fraternity, how they have been reacting over this lawsuit and this matter that has been taken up in the courts there. Aditi, let's talk about the politics around it.
Well, exactly. And Amita, you know, when it comes down to politics, the Congress party has raised one question, that when the Prime Minister was taking credit for Covishield, saying that it is Make in India concept and that's what the Made in India COVID vaccine is safe for all, the Congress party has just picked this point and said, will the Prime Minister now answer, and will the BJP party come in forward and answer this question? Here is the reaction coming in from Srinivas BV of the Congress. He says, यूके की एक अदालत में कोविशील्ड वैक्सीन बनाने वाली कंपनी ने माना कि उनकी बनाई वैक्सीन से दुर्लभ दुष्प्रभाव टीटीएस हो सकता है, जिससे खून के थक्के जमते हैं और हार्ट अटैक और ब्रेन हैमरेज की संभावना बढ़ती है। अब कहां है थैंक यू मोदी जी के बैनर? पीएम और हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री चुप क्यों हैं? कम उम्र में हार्ट अटैक से मौत इसी वजह से हुई। बीजेपी ने सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट के से 50 करोड़ के इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड इसलिए ही लिए थे। ये राजनीति का नहीं, लोगों की जिंदगियों का मामला है। वैक्सीन का बेशर्मी से क्रेडिट लेने वाले प्रधानमंत्री को जवाब देना चाहिए, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान की आधी से ज्यादा आबादी ने एस्ट्राजेनेका की कोविशील्ड लगाई गई है।
All right, Aditi, thank you very much for joining in. Well, multiple reactions that have been coming in over, of course, the concerns that have been made, even when it comes to this lawsuit that the pharmaceutical giant that has been facing. And for the first time in court, it had admitted that when it comes to its COVID vaccine, that may cause certain rare side effects. We get your reactions on that back after a short break. That's a wrap on this edition of the Morning News Hour.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.